Alright, we're in Madrid. And we got a Kone elevator here that serves this parking garage. It's got a Dewhurst skull station. And has a glass hoistway, but it's not glass. Oh, interesting. Oh, look, that's, I guess, residents park below and they have to scan on that gigantic ass badge reader. And the whole badge reader makes the bottom flash red of the elevator car. Here it is. It's got a screen on it. What is the point of a screen on that? If it's just a single message that doesn't change, just point it on there. Anyway, we can actually watch it go. Watch the car go down. Look, there's the Ecodisc in there.